Hello and welcome back to the video of handy gifts. For the first time I'm doing my intro outside my house. So yes, when I uploaded my die cutting machine unboxing video, most of them asked me what it is, why is it used, and how will it be used. So they were curious to know why is it very special to me. So I thought I'll make a video of how to use it. So yes, if you are a crafter or if you love to do craft, then yes, you can buy this, and I'll show you all in today's video how to use it. So without wasting time, let's begin. So starting with the acrylic plate, take it, keep a paper over it which you want to cut, then keep the die. Make sure you're keeping the sharp part towards the paper, then sandwich it with the other acrylic plate. That's it, you're ready. Keep it over the machine and roll it. When you're rolling, it will be a bit difficult. Don't get scared, it won't break. Keep it properly and just roll it and just get it back. It'll make a sound, so don't get worried. So once that is done, you can see that it's come out so well. Let me remove all the fillers here. All the fillers are being removed, and then here you go, our die cut is ready. I love this design. And now let's try with a simple flower. So I'm taking the paper, the flower die, and then the acrylic plate again. Now we are ready to go. Let's do it again. Here we go. When you get a sound, you just have to bring it back. When you bring it back again, you get that sound and you can remove it. And here you go. We have both our dice ready.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.